Target practice with Jack Jepson on the Doc McStuffins. He's got to get close. Oh, and he missed her from the distance. Doc McStuffins.
And shoot.
And shoot the Doc McStuffins. You want to record? You hold. Just hold it. Videotape me. Come back here. Okay, get ready. You got to film the Doc McStuffins.
And action. Hey, we are going to shoot Doc McStuffins.
Oh, I think I got it. Another shot. Let's go. Back up.
I saw a little hole.
See if I can get her again. Did I shoot her?
Let's go see.
Yeah, I got her. Bounced off her head. Oh, in her eye. She got no eye. Look at that, folks.
Yeah.
Busted her eye, right? Bullseye, right?
Yeah.
That's what you call a bullseye.
Now let's see with me.
Now let's see what Jack does. Loads it up. Whoa! Be careful. Loads it up. Doc McStuffins. All right. He's got to get extra close. Careful. Oh, he knocked down Doc McStuffins! Woo! What a great job, son. How you feel?
Good. Let's see where she got shot.
Let's see where she got shot, folks. Oh, we got cans down. We got Doc McStuffins down, head first into the snow. She got BBs in her head.
Did I shot in her head?
I don't know. I think so. Maybe you shot in the same hole.